In this video, you'll learn that the Fuse digital ecosystem is not just for technical training. Fuse has been built to support all members of the manufacturing sector through collaboration, engagement, and learning. Fuse members include employees at manufacturing companies, large and small, supplier and dealer employees, members of industry associations, and even students. As a result, the training content in Fuse is not just technical in nature. Think of Fuse as the platform that enables the distribution and sale of any type of training for members of the manufacturing industry. Fuse members can access or sell any type of training, such as leadership training, safety and compliance training, soft skills, and much more. To learn more about how you can take advantage of supplemental training within Fuse, become a member today by visiting fuse.logicbay.com or email us at info@growwithfuse.com.